TV right next to him. I think this is scary as hell there. Huh? Grandmas are like that. Yeah,
I'm filming him right now, just so you know.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't. Just wanted to let you guys know. Boston, will you sit down?
Yeah. But we figured it was directly down from the end of that Baldish mountain, yeah. But.
No, but I mean, like, is it that Baldish tree down there?
Oh, it's down farther, isn't it? Yeah. It looks like.
Are you making pig sounds? What sound does a bear make? Squeak? What sound does a bear make? What sound does Sasquatch make? Yeah. What's your favorite band?
Bad.
Who's your favorite band? Is it the Beatles?
Beatles. There you go, kiddo.
What does your shirt say?
What's on your shirt? Beatles? Can you say the Beatles? There you go.
Can you wave to the camera? Can you wave? To me, Boston. Hi.
I'm gonna go down and smoke in the smoking area. It's so cool.
Boston, can you wave to Mama?
Howdy ho.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Is Graham being silly? Peekaboo.
Typical.
Peekaboo.
Down. You want to get down?
Can't take it. What's the matter? What's it look for?
Are you squatting?
Squatting like Sasquatch?
Are you squatting? Don't you bump your head.
Doop.
What was me? Oh.
Are you still filming?
Yep.
You want Noni? Okay.
Yeah.